like very they will feel like, oh, this morning straight away, can hear from him. Okay, and then together you can see me here, right? So as usual, yeah, all of you remember this is like our second lesson of this program. Selamat pagi, Brian Lai. Yeah, hello. Oh, our friend Wei Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is actually what is that called? The sponsored program from this Segi College, right? So hopefully this is brought to you to assist those who need more help, right? To increase your understanding in maths, right? Or to prepare you for your SPM next year. So this is a 3-month program. So some of you just joined today, first day, welcome. And those who miss out, oh my God, Yi Cheng, Yi Cheng, everyone knows you already. Remember to, unmute yourself unless you want to become superstar like me. Okay, you can unmute yourself and talk, no problem. Okay, Lewis Kumar, hi, good morning. Yes, Ashley, good morning. Okay. So some of you have actually met me before earlier, and those who still do not know what is going on and do not alert about what is that called? Your progress now in this towards the SPM exam in March next year, right? You're now in September. You still got October, November, December. You can use fingers to count, right? Hello. Last time very hard to count because too many months. Until now, you're still like, you want to do that? No way. You have to know, wake up. Yeah, that's the thing. You have to alert on that. Okay, so make sure that you also need to know our class start at 10:30. So there are people joining in, okay, coming in now. So hopefully you all have to wake up early morning. Okay, I think 10:30 is not very early, right? I woke up at 7 or 6:30 morning every day. Yeah, you see, make it as a habit to some of you actually wake up early to do revision. I have friends, right? Those straight A students, including me, also straight A student. Yeah, we all actually woke up very early. Last time 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, depends on your personal situation. Because some people they woke up very early, they can actually concentrate more to focus on revision. Do you know that? So I'm teaching you also the idea how to be straight A student. Okay, yeah. So we all the straight A student, we can share with you the experience how we got the straight A. Yeah, for all the subject. Yeah, it's wonderful, right? To see a string of A. We have friends or we have students or your senior, they got half, means half not straight A, half straight A, or maybe 5 A's, the others all E. So you need to balance. If you want all B, okay, you want all A, or you want all C, or you want all fail. So that's the good habit. Yeah, you all can actually directly send a message to everyone so that people can see you're talking to me. Don't need to feel shy to share, okay? Don't need to like personal message to me because I want you all to see your friends interact here. Okay, because we all are, what's that called? Motivated teacher to motivate students to do well, excel well in the SPM. So every time I will spend a little bit of the class, like 5 to 10 minutes to give you the energy, motivate you to study. You will feel like after my class, you feel like motivated to study one, Yeah, it's like not like maybe some other classes you feel like you're very tired lah. After that, I don't want to study anymore lah. But after my class, you feel the energy is like given to you. Then you will after my class 12 o'clock, then you can continue do question, do your own revision for other subjects. Yeah, that's the thing. So every day or every weekend, Saturday, you have my class. Yeah. So I hope that y'all can really do well. Yes, thanks. Oh, y'all know each other, right? Okay, yeah, y'all can see from all over Malaysia here, right? Different state, you can meet a lot of friends, right? Who knows? Yeah, this is the way that you meet your best friend from other state. Yeah, do you have any friends from other state? Yeah, you have to know, because this is what's that called? Borderless already. Last time, wow, Selangor go to Penang, Selangor go to Johor, and then from Selangor to Sabah, Sarawak, like very far. But now it's because of this online learning. I can tell you it's so amazing that people connect with each other so easily. right? Yes, got Kedah also. Yeah, we got Perlis, we got Penang. Last week I didn't really get to know y'all in the very close contact. Like, any one of you from this state, I want to know. So, okay, can y'all please say hi? Those who are we start from Perlis, anyone Perlis? We want to know. So because the class is also not that what's that called, huge, because I have other class also huge. Every state also got Kedah got or not, Kedah. We see how this what's that called, this promotion of the Segi College, right, sponsor program to the whole Malaysia SPM student here. Yeah. Oh, Koje, Isaac, right? Isaac from Kedah. Hi, nice to meet you here. Yeah. And then good from Penang, anyone from Penang, so that you all know each other. Okay, while waiting some of your friends coming in, at least we have a warm up session, because last week I only focused on the introduction of my study plan with y'all, right? To make sure that y'all are with me. Okay, can y'all please on the spot look at it? Yeah, see from Penang got anyone from Penang? Siapa dari Pulau Pinang? Siapa dari Pulau Pinang? Yeah, because you're going to be classmate until the whole 3 months, until November. We got a lot of times to do a lot of things. Yeah, so that's right. I also want to take some time to know you more, because from Penang, yeah, and also from who else from Penang? Nobody from Penang, or you feel shy to type? Or you still haven't wake up? You have to know, okay? Then from Perak, from Perak, anyone from Perak? Okay, from Perak. Hello. Why this class suddenly only a few of you talking one? Then others like, you're okay or not? Hello everyone. Yeah, Simin, where do you come from? You from Perak also, Simin? Olivia from Selangor. Okay. Or everyone, you all just type like I'm from where, so that we know lah, huh? Yeah. I don't need to call one by one the state. Okay, everyone, we do a warm exercise. Everyone take out. Don't need take out. You already got your laptop, your phone, right? Type out, type out. I'm from where? I'm from Sabah. I'm from Sarawak. So that I want to know everyone. I want to know you all come from which state, because you know why? My question will be also from those state, trials question. So maybe perhaps you see this is my state question. I want to know maybe the state, okay, you're not in this state. Maybe I can use that state to discuss with you. I see a lot of people from Selangor. Okay, type out now. Type out. Also from Shah Alam. Yeah, I'm actually living in Shah Alam now. Okay, everyone, because last week I didn't get to ask y'all where y'all come from. So today, can y'all please tell me? Okay, where you all come from? Type out. Everyone must type, so that I know you all are with me. If not, I cannot start my lesson. Wow, this is a requirement, because as a teacher or as your guidance, what's that called? As your facilitator or coach, to make sure that you all are always, be active. I have to get you all to involve in my class. Not like some other online classes, very dull, only the teacher talking, then the other students just sleeping. So I don't like that, I don't like this type of, what's that called, online class, that the student also very passive, very boring. No way, I cannot do that. Because, for so many years, I have been around Malaysia to give talk to different state, different kampong, different bandar. I travel everywhere lah. To give seminars. I have taught many students, more than 10,000 students. Yeah, so yeah, can go up to that. Yeah, so I can tell you, you are very lucky to see all of the teachers here, from this program. Okay, yeah, let me go through again. Okay, I saw your friend say hello. Yeah, Olivia, Sumi from Selangor, Sumi from Perak. Okay, Brian. I stay where the country have water problem. Really? Siapa? Selangor. Okay, Kylie from Selangor. Levis, a lot of you from Selangor. Okay, we also Tasha, Yani from Selangor, Shweti, yeah, Sriya. Wow, Shanice. Oh, Wilson from Selangor, Natasha from Selangor, Yi Cheng from Selangor, Ashley, okay, No Isnas from Selangor, Chuni from Selangor, Adriana from Selangor, Charitas from Selangor, right? Irene from Selangor, Chen Wan from Selangor, Lo Yi from Selangor, oh my god, Liana from Selangor, no, other state already, Corato from Selangor, Irene, Brian from Klang. Ah, you and Wei Ping, right? Study the same school, right? Jing Yi also from Selangor. Lewis from Puchong, Selangor. Okay, Amrin Selangor. Wow. Hani Selangor Shalam. Francilla from Sarawak. Oh, but stay in Selangor. Okay, good. Welcome. Hani okay. Oh, so class, majority from Selangor lah. I'm also quite surprised. Yeah, I thought they like from different state. I have another class is like yeah also involved, but all state also there in the class. Got 200 students there in the class. So the 200 in the class is like yeah variety lah. So macam-macam pun ada. Oh, that means I can do a lot of other state question with y'all lah, because mainly from Selangor leh, but y'all don't have other state question, right? So I can discuss with you easily. Okay, let us if you all want to see Selangor question, right? Bank Soalan Selangor. Let me show you. Wow, Bank Soalan. Oops, okay. That's right. I say it's good that you're joining my class. You get to know a lot of things, right? You have to take out stationery, do it on the spot as usual, what I mentioned last week. Because if you don't do anything, you learn nothing. Okay, you cannot just watch like watching movie. No way. Okay, I'm here teaching you to make sure that you're doing together. Take out a pen, pencil, graph paper, or even calculator every week lah. I don't need to repeat again and again. You just take note on that because I don't want your take things for granted because online we can't see you doing. All my bankio that I have right for all the states, right? I'll go around and I'll check the student to see whether they do it on the spot or not. Because I've first time I'm teaching you, you'll never join my previous lesson, since like form 1, form 2, form 3, form 4, you all don't have I don't know your level, So that's right, I need to make sure that all of you can do it. Okay, in this situation, class, let me go to a question that involve paper 2. Last week we do paper 1, right? Okay, I mean objective question. So today I want to test you some of the question, right? Hopefully y'all can do well and can answer it. Okay, this is also Bank Soalan Selangor. Who knows your trial paper from this? So well, I need to convert it into this PDF file as well. Okay, now get ready. So perhaps this type of question you can use it to do your revision later on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, all of you just enter the class ready. Then I can share screen to make sure that none of you can skip out, right? This revision class, all trial papers. Not all trial papers. Okay, it's about how I pick the question from different sources so that y'all get to know how the SPM question looks like. Okay, hi. Also, hi, Natasha. Hi, you just came in, right? Okay. So still got people outside there, huh? Why? I thought you're 10:30, the class. Okay, no worry. Maybe your line internet connection not stable, not only connected, right? Okay, so class. Yes, we go to the first question that you may actually have problem with this type of shading one because you still remember Sept, right? Okay, yeah, if they test you, right, in let's say PD3 question got set, now let's say I just want to throw a question because you must expect those form 1, form 2, form 3 question also will come out, so at least you don't have anything missed out. Yeah, yeah, lor, Brian, I also know. So ready, go. P intersect Q. So what you do is you just jot down this diagram, okay? Jot down this diagram on the spot. Then I want you to draw P intersect Q prime, okay? Very simple. You have to work out, write the working, and then at least you learn how to show the working, and I'm teaching you how to score by writing all the important key the working, right? So that y'all can see you won't lose any marks. Your friend done ready, you see. So I also will time you. Let's try my lesson is like quite relaxed one because you know why? I always make sure that you're doing in the class. Then you got not much homework. I want you all to really spend the 1.5 hour or even 1 hour itself to discuss question, and you can ask me. So there are so many topics. So I can tell you every week you learn different question, different topics. So your friend can take longer time to do this. Some of you don't know how to do at all. Okay, so there are also questions that you can directly show me, right? So happy, huh? Can see or not? P intersect Q prime. This is P, Q prime is outside. So is it here? Some of you stay cannot see or still cannot see or why? Why? Because you need help like the basic P. Okay, I label one other lubang isi nombor, other lubang isi nombor, any lubang isi with one number. Okay, this is just for your own understanding for the basic step, because this is beginner step. Those who are good, they straight away can see the answer, man. But no worry, I'm teaching you as a general class here, everyone from different level here. Some of you are so smart. Some of you are very weak. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Q prime got who? 1. Dekat luar Q. So intersect means that 1 and 1 intersect. So only shade the 1. You see? So easy. So this is something very what is that called? Easy question, bonus mark. But this question B will have headache for student. Okay, whereby how are you going to shade this P prime intersect Q union R? P prime intersect Q union R. Everyone, this question. So I want to ask you, what should I do? Where is the, the shaded region? You need to shade kena lorek kan. So in the exam, please, you need to know how to shade. Don't go and coloring. You thought exam got a lot of time for you. You need to know what is the instruction. Lorek kan, lorek kan oni, lorek kan oni. So I want you all to take note on this. Okay, so class, what you should do? Have you done? Oh, very good. So some of you already got it. Okay, the right hand side, whatever. Okay, well, so you always know that you don't take too long for this question. 1 minute. So from our lesson, okay, moving forward, right, until the end of the program, I always will try to test your timing one. I give you time to do on the spot before I give you the answer directly. If not, I don't know, you all can do or cannot do. Cannot do also let me know, because I will teach you more clearly. Okay, because some of you need more help. So kadang-kadang you boleh nampak kawan kamu ambil 1 jam untuk buat soalan kan. So untuk program ini saya akan senantiasa bagi kamu masa untuk buat pada masa itu. Okay, tak payah tunggu sampai hari esok baru buat. Buat sekarang. Okay, at least once a week you practice with me, you will feel like you save a lot of time doing your own revision. Okay, so let me tell you, right? Done, ready, Lewis. Okay, then I discuss answer. The basic idea of doing this is I label. You can label any numbers. You can start from here 1 and 2, 3, 4. As long as you got label, easier for you to work it out. P prime. P pelengkap. Dekat mana selain dari P ada siapa? 4 dan 5. Q Q ada 2, 3, 4 dan 5. R hanya 3 dan 4. Okey, kita buat apa dulu? Kita buat kurungan dulu. Ada union, kesatuan, bermaksud kamu kena bersatu ke. Bersama, bermaksud you kena kumpulkan semua, gabungkan semua lah. Kesatuan 2, 3, 4, 5 loh. 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? After that, another thing is this one, intersect. Bersilang. I have, you have, we intersect. I have, you have, we intersect. You only shade 4 and 5. If you label this as 4 and 5, then you shade here. So easy, right? So I can tell you, this is nothing, because I say a lot of you learn this is like kacang putih. Okay, so if can, you just shade it out. You can erase off, because they want to see this is the answer in the shading. Okay, so this is what I can say. Just use your pencil to do shading. Right, done. So this is bonus mark. For me, this question not difficult. Okay, now let us see. This one easy. I don't choose the question that is difficult. That is easy one. This one. I want to choose this question to discuss now. Yeah, everyone can see this question. Boleh nampak kan? Oh, mathematical reasoning, huh? How to do this chapter leh? I randomly throw this question. You still remember how to do or not? Some of you thought that this chapter. No. Okay, I want you all to do it on the spot here in my class. So you have to attend the class lor. Okay, so this is the program that I want you all to do it on the spot now. Okay, state whether the following statement is true or false. Yeah, topic 3, okay, from 4 Levis. So it's easy, right? This chapter, there's no calculation involved, right? In this chapter, if got also a little bit, but mostly are just logic. If P, then Q. You still remember those contra, positive, all these things. So can you see or not? I want you all to look at it. Done? Okay, let us discuss the answer, yeah? State whether the following statement is true or false. So class, you see or not? True or false? You still remember if let's say using or, true, false, true. False, true, is still true. Only false, false. Masih ingat tak? Kalau guna atau, kamu kena tahu hanya palsu, barulah palsu. Yang lain satu palsu pun dikira benar. Okay? Kalau guna atau. So remember easily, for those who forgotten, or, yes. There's a premise 1, premise 2, and the conclusion. True, false, false, true, false. But for N, only the true. The others got one false considered false already for N. So you need to find a way to remember it. Okay. Yes, very good. Sweat E. Lewis. And then also we got our friend here. Okay, good. I know. So Adriana. Okay, Ashraf also G. Even. Okay, Chen Wan. Okay, Ashley, Liana. All of you are responsive. Inas also. Yeah, Brian also. Done. So your answer, you see, 94 more than 96 is true. 2 power 4 is 8? No. 2 power 4 is 16, right? 2 pos. right, pos one. Palsu plus English pos. False. So answer is true. Okay? You just write like that because they say statement, nyatakan. So put true. Next, for this one, okay, write 2 implication, if and only if. 2 implication, So you need to write given space here, lah. Okay? But never mind, I write it here for you to see clearly. If k power 3 equals to -8, then k equals to -2. This is implication 1. If k equals to -2, then k power 3 equals to -8. Right? Okay, so what else? This question, 5 marks. So 1 mark plus this one, 2 marks, 3 marks, still got 2 more marks here, right? Complete the premise. This question, all acute angles are less than 90. Semua sudut tirus adalah kurang daripada 90. So this one, premise 1 is given, conclusion also given. So you have to find out the answer. The technique very simple. They use all. So what is already given is less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree. So another portion which is not yet written down is this one, right? Oh, acute angle belum ditulis. So confirm guna acute angle lah. But something extra angle, the name so have to add on oh. So ini macam cantum sahaja, sangat senang. ABC is an acute angle, is an acute angle, or is acute angle. Right, use your PM also if you want. Sudut ABC adalah sudut tirus. Can you do that? Very simple. So this are question 5 marks. Okay, easy or not? So you can screenshot it and you can take as an example to do it. Okay, because a lot of people, they don't know how to do this. Right, this one got 3 types. Type 1, or P, R, Q. Premise 1. Premise 2, okay. So it is P, then P. So this one you can put is P or what lah. P, then after that conclusion is what? Q. Right? You just put Q. Okay? Depends. They say all, they will give you an object. So type 2, premise 1 will be if P, then Q. Premise 2, P, then premise conclusion is what? Conclusion is Q loh. Dia punya kesimpulan. Okay? Yeah. So type 3, premise 1, if jika P maka Q. This one interesting. They will say not Q. Then conclusion, not P. Okay, so only 3 types of the pattern of the question were given to you, right? So you can check it out. Remember already, huh? Yeah, 计数, J and 离光数. Oh, what is that? Okay, easy. You remember? Wow. You use this, huh? Hello. Remember, then we go to next one. This question. 6 marks. Find the parameter and area. Can you do that? What should I get, for this answer? Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, how and what should you do? Okay, question number 6. Oh, they'll give formula. And do you know that what formula they will be giving you? Right? So let me tell you, for those who worry about, you need to memorize that formula, this formula or not. So for those who absent last week, or did I share with you last lesson? Yeah, let me check it out for your SPM, your new format of exam, right? The formula list, they cut down a few already. Not like last time, they give a lot. So I want to tell you, okay, you have to take note on this. Okay, kena ambil perhatian sebab apakah yang dia akan bagi untuk matematik. Formula penting. Saya akan bagi tengok. Okay, formula penting ini. Bukan. Nanti let me check first. Today I got, what is that called? Download it down for you all to refer one. Final. This one, yeah, final. Let me check. So those who want to know what are the formula you need to prepare? Last week I got show you, right? Oh no. Okay, let me also try to give you the idea. Where is it? Don't have one. That day I downloaded. Where I put ready? I think is this one. Okay, the others, please do this question. I'm waiting. Yo, Muhammad, why you jotting? Accidentally, you want to draw together. Okay. Sudah dapat jawapan? Some of you forgotten formula, right? I don't give you formula first. I want to see can you do or not without the formula. Okay. Some of you really depends on the formula given. Oh, so sad, right? I think I have to find out for you because that time I downloaded, I don't know where I keep the file into which folder already. Never mind lah. Because your friend want to ask what formula should we memorize? Oh, your friend say, can I try to write in BM on Jalan Kerja because our SPM is use BM? Oh, okay. Can. Because this is also bilingual lah, no problem. Okay, majority here using English, right? So if you use English, totally all English. If you use BM, all BM. You cannot campur other English and BM. You can't answer it. Oh my God. Luckily, you join my class. I purposely test this type of question. This is Form 2 question. Yeah, Form 2 lor. This is Form 2 chapter. It's not Form 4, Form 5 chapter. Please take note on this. Berkesal tak dulu PT3 main-main lah. Sekarang Form 5 susah kemudian. Bukannya senang kemudian. Okay. Yeah, never mind. So let me teach you also. For this question, untuk soalan ini, okay, how to find parameter? Actually, the language is not a problem. You can actually see the working majority in just numbers, right? Of the whole diagram. So parameter nak cari sangat senang. You kena bagi tahu apa tambah apa. SQ tambah ini QP tambah ini PO. Kena tengok whole diagram tambah ini yo dia tak label. OM lah saya label sendiri. Tambah MS. Okay? Can you see this is whole diagram, not shaded region. So you must understand what is whole diagram, what is shaded region. Okay, parameter seluruh raja. So itulah panjang yang kamu kena tambah satu demi satu. Wow, even got the answer ready so fast. Okay, the others cannot do, So you have to work up more already. Every week must really learn. Okay, what is the information they give you? OP14, I just label here. Angle POQ. POQ, angle here is 120. Ayo, dia bagi OS out, S law dekat S. OS out 50 already label. OS equals to SQ. OS equals to SQ. Okay, can or not? OS equals to SQ. All this label already, right? Okay, using pi equals to 2207, you must substitute with 2207 later. Okay, Yi Cheng, Sweat Yi also give the answer already. Now, your answer, Very simple the working. Tengok jalan kerja. SQ ini, tahu tak panjang dia? Dia ada bagi tahu tak? POQ is a sector and center O. STO is a semicircle with S. So the radius, you have to know lah, because they give you a midpoint. Why midpoint? They say, you see these two are the same length, and it's a radius, so 7 and 7. Do you know that? Because this whole thing 14, same as this OP. OP and OQ, right? Are they called as radius, right? Yeah, SQ is 7. No? QP is the arc length. Formula to find arc length? Angle theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Hello, masih ingat tak nak cari panjang QP? Inilah lengkuk, okay? PO 14, OM. Mana OM? Ini tadi kan? OM, OM ini, okay, kena merujuk kepada sudut berapa darjah. Here 50, straight line mah. This one 130 loh, right not? Straight line, angle next to each other, 130. So, kena guna 130 darjah untuk cari panjang lengkuk OM. Theta over 360 times 2 pi out. 2 pi out. Jejari lah 7 kan? 7 cm, right? Plus ms 7 cm. You see? This is the whole working to include every single length. You also need to jot down nicely. Yeah, so your friends say, oh, can we use S equals to out theta? They want ms using radian. In modern maths, we don't learn radian to measure the angle. So please remember, ms formula cannot use for maths formula because the marking scheme don't have that. Although answer same, but the working is not listed in the marking scheme. Okay, you all take note. Some of you are so handa, so terror, ms. Use ms to show off. But then, oh, this is maths lah. Okay, so make sure that you all have to do it well. And also, let's see the answer. Can you check? I saw many of you give the answer already. I also want to wait for your answer, everyone. Yes, do together. Okay. See whether can you all do or not. I also count together. I got my answer 73.22. Or you change to mixed number 73 to 9 cm. Okay, or some people put 73.22 cm. Okay, interesting. Yeah, very good. Do students use MS to answer? Yeah, we have students do that because they did not realize that this is maths. Question B. Cari apa? Luas. So your friends say need to write in BM or no, like that only luas. So maths, I can say one of the subject that don't have headache in bilingual. Science subject, yes, a lot of words on. Yeah, you use BM means have to learn in BM. Luckily, I chose to teach maths and MS. Okay, because the keyword is not about the what's that called? The language is about the numbers. You have to use the numbers to write the working. But only some question comment. They ask you to write your opinion or your what's that called? They ask you to describe. That one only involve the a lot of words. Then I have to translate for PM. So, tengok apakah jawapan dia? I saw a lot of people also give the answer already. Shaded region. You take big minus small concept. Ambil besar tolak kecil. Okay, you can take area of sector. Luas apa you boleh label lah. You all have to write the working nicely. Luas kawasan berlorek. Kawasan berlorek sama dengan luas upper tolak upper, OPQ, tolak luas yang kecil, OLS. Oke, luas OPQ ini adalah 120 darjah. How to find the area of sector? Theta over 360 times pi r square. Just now times 2 pi r to find length. This is times pi r square. So those who don't know how to do this question, hello, formula pi r square. So easy, right? You can see, area of ORS, 50 degree, also area of sector. Theta over 360 times pi r square. The radius is 7, right? So a lot of things y'all can see, not that difficult one. You just need to do it step by step. I can tell you, you can score A. If you learn with me, A plus A is not a problem. If you really focus and listen to my advice, right? Then you can see the answer very fast. 183.94, or some people write 17 over 18 unit cm square. Okay, or those who write in decimal, they can accept also this one, 94 cm square. Very good, Enki, Liana. Okay, and even also I saw also Shreya. Yeah, you got it correct, huh? Clear, huh? We're familiar. Okay, got Ashley also. Hey, so big one, the answer. Double check if you got mistake, so that I know how you all got it wrong or what. Okay, your friend asked a question from Brian here. He asked, right? Did some student like this, know, for example, area of shaded region in question stated in the end, right? Area of shaded, this will no mark. What does it mean? Area of shaded, and then give the answer area of shaded, correct? Why? What do you mean by example area of shaded in question? Then you find area of shaded. Your question is like a bit not so macam ayat, macam ada tergantung lah. Lazy to write the region like this question. Or you just write area enough already lah. If you don't want to write so long, area, then straight away give the. Or if you don't want to write luas OPQ, tolak luas ORS, can ah. Marking scheme, right? I also saw the marking scheme sometimes, they find the value of this, and then they find the value of this, they show first, then only minus, then only give this answer. In between got two values of this two bracket one. They also show that. Okay, so you have to take note on that also. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, next question. Oh, you hate straight line, right? They test you. Perhaps I want to share another screen so that easier, bigger for me to give the working. Okay, are you doing? So this question 5 marks or bahagian A, so kertas 1. How to do? Yes. So I want you all to take note on this because it is easy. Yeah. Okay, do it now. Right? You just draw the diagram easily and then solve the answer. Right? Give the correct answer there. I Ching. So this type of question, I can say it is easy. Okay, step by step, show the working. Okay. One more minute. I see majority give the answer already. Yi Cheng, Shreya, good. You see these are thing. And then Singy also even asked teacher for this question B, can I use the formula? Yeah. Oh, actually this one no problem. You can use that. But normally in maths, y equals ms plus c only. Because ms we learn y minus y1 equals ms minus s1, right? So for this, they still can allow because at the end they want to see the equation, right? In terms of y equals ms plus c. Yeah, so this one still allowed. Okay, I saw Brian, Evan. Okay, all give the answer already. Cheng, Ngki. Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay, the others still taking your time to do. Is it Maha also? Shreya also give the answer already. Well done. So that means easy or difficult. Okay, let's discuss the answer now. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I hope that y'all can do it easily, right? Okay, let us continue here. So I saw a lot of you doing very well. Okay, that's the way your practice makes perfect. Aman also here. Okay, yeah. So now let's see the question over here. So diagram shows a trapezium, right? You see, find the equation of the straight line Q out, Q out. Oh, this equation of the straight line Q out, huh? So the thing is, it's a horizontal line. Ini adalah garis melintang. Okay, garis melintang. So the thing is, you just need to know what is the value, the point here, then you know already. But if cut at 3, then y equals 3. When cut at 6, y equals to 6. Horizontal line, y equals to something. Vertical line, x equals to something. Depends on where they cut through. This is the equation, very easy to make. But the thing is, to find the value of the point at here, the y-intercept, you have to relate to this equation, which actually can help you to solve it. So you can say apabila, you write in BM, apabila X sama dengan kosong, Y sama dengan 2, this one Y minus 2X minus 6, oh. This one Y minus, Y minus 2X minus 6. So Y equals to 6, oh. So that means, the equation persamaan, you write equation persamaan of the Q out. Straight away answer y equals to 6. You see? Done. For question A. So for question B, all right, here lah. The equation of line LT. Inilah dia. Yo, they don't give us the gradient or 2 points even. No. So how? They say parallel. Parallel, who is who and who parallel? They already say. They label some more. Buta pun tahu ini adalah selari. Ya, alti selari dengan PQ bermaksud keturunan adalah sama. So you see the gradient are the same. So you say since you can write in BM lah for those who need. Okay, since sejak PQ selari dengan TL. Maksud dia keturunan adalah sama. So how to find the keturunan PQ? Y minus 2x minus 6 equals 0, right? You have to rearrange first. So keturunan PQ ialah apa? 2. Sama 2. Okay. You got gradient. You got a point. 3, 0. And you don't need the y minus y1 also can. Or you need, or you use this method. Y equals to ms plus c, at point 30 dekat titik 30 pada titik, okay, di titik pada titik ini y sama kosong, m2 x3 untuk cari apa? C. C is equals to -6. Therefore, persamaan equation of line TL, y equals to ms plus c again, use the same formula, so easy, y equals to mx plus c. That's it. Can you see or not? Easy? Yeah, sort of, you got it correct. Well done. Okay, good. Then continue. Question C. Nak cari apa? Pintasan Y. For line PT, PT, sini. Nak cari pintasan Y, tapi tak ada persamaan inilah. Tapi sudah ada persamaan ini kan? Y sama 2x tolak 6 kan? They share the same point, correct not? Yeah, can. To find pintasan garis lurus PT, you boleh pinjam garis TL. Okay? So when nak cari pintasan Y kan, when y equals to 0, X equals 0. Apabila X sama kosong, untuk kamu cari apa? Pindasan Y. So use this equation to help you to find the value. So Y equals to -6. Oh? Can or not, class? Can you understand? So you got all correct? Well done. You see, you can do one, you know. So every week I test you, means if you can do this question, that question, means you feel more confident. One. So you say, hey, this one forgot how to do already. I know this one you'll learn in Form 3. Okay, Form 3 to find straight line equation, and then Form 2 you learn gradient of the straight line. Then now Form 5, they combine into one question and make it more challenging to you. Per parallel line, all these things. So MS, some of you, okay, you'll learn also, right? So learn A, B, C. Can you see that, the answer? Can or not? Okay, we continue next question. I want to see how good you are to do this question. Yes. Okay, I like to test you mathematical reasoning also. Okay, can you all do this question now? Ta-da-da, same thing again. Yeah, this thing. This thing I want to tell you whereby students, they don't know how to do it easily. Can you see the question? Okay, and try to look at it. Okay, wow, so fast. Fast through all this thing, Okay, can you do it? This type of thing. Remember, they can test you contra positive, all these thing inverse. So masih ingat, tak dapat ingat, sangat kesian. Okay, so let us see. Class, if you've forgotten how to do this, let's see. Soalan dia senang saja. So whether the statement true or false, 1 is a prime number, so is false. 11 is odd number, true. Because of n, at the end is false, adalah palsu. Palsu benar disebabkan dan gabungkan menjadi palsu. 5 is a factor of 40. 40 can be divided by 5, right? True. 14 is a multiple of 4. No, where I got 4, 4, 16, 4, 4, 14, then cannot 4, 3, 14, cannot, right? 4, 3, 12, right? Because of the all. True. So now, can I ask you to recall back what you learned last time, conditional statement. This is for your own notes to recall back. Pernyataan, kalau dia kata jika P Marker Q. Oh, your friend Hachun, so cute. Okay, so then you got what? Converse. Converse in BM is like Akas. Converse means what? Like this question asks you to find converse, right? So if Q, then P. Recall back, this one. I forgot it's Akas or Akas, you forgot already. Never mind. I purposely do revision now with you again. Inverse, song sang. Okay, song sangan. So song sang is how? If negative P, then negative Q. Or if not P, then not Q. Kalau bukan P, bukan Q loh. Bukan P, bukan Q. Can? Contrapositive. Yes. How? The question, because this is new syllabus. I worry that this one will come out for you in your exam next year. So if not Q, then not P. You see? So I want you all to take note this, very important. This one will come out in your SPM next year. You didn't see your mic was on. Doesn't, doesn't matter. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay, jika maka semua itu kan. Jika P maka Q, those who use BM one, I translate. Jika Q maka P. Jika bukan P maka bukan Q. Jika bukan Q maka bukan P. Can you see the connection? How to remember? You see, these two conditional and converse, statement and converse, they actually, what's that called? Terbalik. And inverse is the terbalik of the state. What's that called? It's a negation of the statement. Negation means penafian in BM means masuk apa? Bukan, tambah negative. Okay, then contrapositive ada terbalik inverse. Okay, you try to link that. Okay, true value, yeah. So hold on. Let's see. Say the converse of following statement and determine whether the statement mana dia. State the following converse statement. The statement missing Okay, never mind. You let's say I give you my own question because this question got a missing thing. You all didn't realize, So if okay, the question following statement if A equals if A, I can say what already if A, or put numbers better lah. A or better. Okay, if A is more than 3, then A is more than 5. I change a little bit, more than 8 lah. So this is statement. Use my question here. Can you write the converse? Akas dia ialah apa? If A more than 8, then A more than 3. Betul tak? Akas ini betul kan? Determine whether true or false. True or false, class? True or false? True or false? This is the question for this. I want to add on. The answer is false. Why? Mengapa palsu? Sebab apa? A lebih besar daripada 8. So 9, 10. False meh? If A more than 3, because of the question I put the balik also, like if A more than 3. So I should put this, okay, sorry, I changed a bit to make it more real to you. Normally it's false one. This one statement is correct one. Like that more better. Yeah, if A more than 8, yes, confirm A more than 3 one. Because you see, A more than 8, 9, 10, so confirm more than 3. Lor. If A more than 3 doesn't mean more than 8, then it will be false. This is the correct one. Huh? Please change a bit. Yeah. So that's the question. Because you know why false? Because A more than 3 can have 4, 5, 6, but then they are less than 8. That's right, false. Okay, tukar sikit. So inilah soalan yang saya nak tanya supaya kamu boleh faham mengapa dia akan menjadi akas dia menjadi palsu. Okay, because the truth value that your friend want to ask, right? Okay, yeah, how to make it, to let you see better. I got the notes for you to also jot down later on because the truth value. I give you this, you all can jot down, hold on. This one you all can snapshot later. This is truth value. The question in exam also will teach you, ask you truth value one. Okay, this is a table I can ask you all to jot down for those who actually want to know how. Okay, so you see, if P true, Q true, negative, then the P, if P then Q will be true. Okay, this is a summary. Just now akas, right? Terbalik mah. P true, Q true. Terbalik, you see what happened? Try to check it out. The truth value for this. A summary for that. Okay? Can, So you can screenshot it, so easier for you to refer later. Okay, a summary, because this type of thing, right, you have to take note because in exam, they will test you. Have you done? Okay, let's continue. Next question. So this one is also important thing I want to share with you. This question. Make a general conclusion. Okay, buat satu kesimpulan umum. Okay, you learn deduction, induction, right? Rohan. Induce into a general formula called induction. Induction means that you have to create a formula for this pattern. Wow, very fast even. So the pattern, you have to focus on this. This value, 3, 10, 21, you don't include into the formula pattern polar into a pattern. You cannot include it into your, what is that called? Generate conclusion. So, what is repeating? 2, 1, 2, 3 is changing. 2, 1, 2. What is this? This is square actually. Square. Plus 1, 2, 3 again, repeating or changing, use n. So this is something how you create the general formula for it. Okay, where you can add on n is 1, 2, 3, ... You have to do this. Kena tambah ini. A lot of students, they cannot get full mark for this. They only write until here. They forgot to write this. Oh, kena tambah tau supaya kamu boleh dapat markah penuh. Okay, important ya. Yeah, very good, Shreya, Brian. Yeah, I know. Okay, easier. Taeyong, Taeyong. Okay, like Korean friend. Taeyong. Okay, Wei Ping also even. Okay, this one have to check because it's 2n squared plus n. Okay, that's the answer. So remember this question. Mathematical reasoning is like this. And now we go for matrix. Yes. Do you know how to do this? Okay, next question. Let us discuss it, right? Okay, what is your answer? So I saw many of you give the answer already. Ashley, Yi, Liana Maha, Wei Singi, Sritaran. Okay, Angki, Sriya, Ryan. Ignore the X. Oh, just now, huh? If we use N, just now you don't use X. Just now the friend put X here, right? Just now this question must use N, right? Where N normally we use N. Okay, number of term. Or depends on the question, they can use K also. It's just saw your friend's question. Okay, now find the value of M and N. Oh. So they give you inverse matrix is who? This one. For those who forgotten, let matrix A, B, C, D. Inverse matrix symbol is what? 1 over AD minus BC. And then change place, change sign. So this question, I purposely test you whether you remember or not. Can you all please look at it now? Inverse matrix, inverse matrix. 1 over 4 times 2. I let A equals to this lah. Saya biar A sama dengan ini. Supaya senang untuk saya tunjuk. Apa darab apa. And then tukar tempat. Tukar simbol. Po menjadi name, menjadi po. 4 to 8 minus 6 to Hey, did I see wrongly or what? Sorry, I see wrongly. I put this pula. Change place, change sign. Ayo, so cute lah. 428 326. What I'm doing? Your friend also never tell me one. I look wrongly there. Mata senge. Sometimes happen in exam. You nak buat cepat tapi tiba-tiba you punya mata senge. So secara perbandingan, secara perbandingan, secara. Okay, today why like that one? Secara perbandingan. Sometimes when I talk, then the writing is different from what I say one. So weird lah. Just like sometimes I want to pee right in the toilet, suddenly fart loh. Nak kencing tiba-tiba kentut pula. Dia tak ikut hati saya nak buat ini, dia tiba-tiba buat yang lain. Okay, by comparison with this M, 2N, -2, 4. Hello, compare ni. Bukan mata besar-besar. M ialah 1/2. N ialah... tadi saya... saya... Okay, tiba-tiba pula. Tak sama punya. Okay, I directly use that one. Okay, this one change place. They only can take notes. It's the same, right? You see that? So N equals to -3, But okay. Yeah. Of course, God. That's right. These 3 months still got a lot of time. Don't worry, okay? We got a lot of K-bar question waiting. Yeah. Just now thinking, I also just saw only when I see, change place. Must change place, change sign. Sometimes too easy, make mistake. Kesian. Then have to double check. Remember, you have this habit double check your working one. Kamu selalu ada tabiat untuk menyimak atau periksa jawapan tak? Kadang kamu you tulis terkurang satu tanda, you terlupa tulis, tapi jawapan you ingat you boleh dapat betul. Tapi salah sebab satu tanda. So they will have to do what? Yeah, I have to do it. This is a direct question. How? Some question will give you story one. That one later. Because I need to see your basic, how strong you are first. Not only second lesson, still got many upcoming lessons. Total, we have 12 lessons, right? So, class, this question also direct. In exam, they give you story, you have to build your own 2 equations. That one only different. And it's not K-bar, it's called problem solving. K-bar, I'll tell you how it looks like later on. Okay, 4x plus 3y equals 6. Hello, tengok baik-baik. Ini kena guna kaedah matrix. Kalau tak guna, tak dapat markah. So you have to use the matrix method. Okay, so you have to make sure first step, right, like that. Remember? Sometimes the question trick you, the x and y, they put y first and only x, and the second equation is xy. You all thought that, okay, sometimes you straight away put 4, 3, 2, 2, mana tahu diperangkap oleh mereka. You have to rearrange until you see ax plus by equals c until this pattern. So that you can put a, b, d, e, c, and f. Can or not? The xy here and then the 6, 8 here. Okay, this is very direct. I'm not sure you all can remember how to do or not. If I straight away give you difficult question, then you don't know how to solve, even worse. We warm up first. This question, you remember how to do or not? Yeah, you see Aina, even, and you all can also give the, what is that called? Information, your technique of doing. This is inverse. Saya nak bagi tahu tips penting. Kalau dia dekat depan, pindah sebelah kanan pun dekat depan tau. Depan siapa? 6, 8. Jangan letak di belakang. Jawapan untuk matrix A darab B tak sama dengan B darab A. Matrices, you have to know, jangan terperangkap, ada orang dia letak belakang, ingat jawapan boleh dapat. Betul, salah. So can you please find the inverse matrix? 4, 3, 2, 2 is the same. Nampak tak hence seterusnya? So when you attend my lesson, I'll teach you all this keyword. Means double check, same thing 4, 3, 2, 2. Inverse is what? Already done 1/2. Already got just now. Okay. Yeah. 1/2, 2, -3, -2. Okay. You can see 2, 4 change sign Okay, for just now one, you can directly. And you can solve already. How? How to do this? Sorry, forgot this. How to multiply? Kalau nak darab matrix dengan matrix, guna apa konsep? Baris darab lajur. Row times column. Okay, row times column. The first row times the column. How to times? First element times first element. 2 times 6. -3 times 8. Then plus together. Oh, the first element done. Second row times second column. I mean second row times the first column. You get the second row here. How? First element times first element, -2 times 6, and then 4 times 8. After that, plus together. So your answer, xy equals to 1/2. This is 12 minus 24, -12. -12 plus, what is this? 32, right? What do you get? 20. And you have to take 1/2 multiply in, you get -6 and 10. Dapat jawapan tak? You want to find x and y, right? So you rewrite again. X is -6, y is 10. Itulah jawapan dia. Senang tak? Senang gila. Okay, in exam, they will test you, giving you a story. Then ask you to form equation. Contoh, dia bagi soalan berkaitan dengan apa masalah kan. Dia akan bagi tahu Ali membeli 2 kilogram benda A berharga X. Ali akal pula membeli benda B berharga Y, macam itulah. Okay, then diberi jumlah harga. You all have to know how to read lah. Read ready, you have to know how to build the two equation. And they say use matrices method to do. If you didn't use matrices method, you go and use simultaneous equation substitution, you get 0 mark. Kena dengar baik-baik kalau tak ikut soalan, punya arahan, kamu dapat 0 markah. Walaupun 6 markah dan jawapan kamu juga betul, X sama -6, Y sama 10, tapi guna cara yang berlainan, so dapat 0. So read question carefully. Very good, Yi Cheng, Ashley, Sri, Aina, Yvonne. Okay, if you got it correct, well done. Okay, so far so good. Oh, probability. This question, probability. Oh, you have to do this. You all just learn, right? I mean, no, Form 4. Just that some of the question like this, all these question okay one, just that you have to do more. You have to practice draw graph. So which question I want to test you? Okay, we still got time. Let's practice this. It's a long question. Perhaps I cut into one page because this question got a few pages, so later you cannot see clearly. Okay, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, biar saya potong-potong soalan ini ke sebelah, okay, papan putih yang kedua. Okay, so in my class you can see very easy. So can you follow? This question, how to do tree diagram? Fill in the what, right? So you all learn this in Form 4, right? But you forgot already, huh? Sangat kesian kan? Tak adalah sebab kan dekat rumah selalu setiap hari tak ada kesian, tak ada kesian. Siapa yang termakan ciri dia rasa pedas? Tak buat apa-apa langsung semasa dekat rumah kan. Sekarang baru join, okay lah. That's right, you are here. That's right, I think it's good that Sergi College, give this sponsor program to y'all to make sure that y'all can do it easily. Oh, okay. Can you fill in the what's that called? Table? Not table, the tree diagram, right? They say. Can you see or not in the event? Can you do it now quickly? We still got 5 more minutes. Yeah, can see. Learning early, very good. It is a bit blur, huh? Okay, I make it clear, right? Everyone can, You're using laptop, computer, or phone to learn maths or to attend my class, because I need to also know, because some of you, have to zoom in. Because now online class, you already know so many methods to learn. I mean, already after 1 year already, right? I don't feel like it's challenging to learn through online, You use iPad, wow. Use phone, some of you use laptop, okay. Wow, so many style of devices. Yeah, these are the things that I want to take note. So because sometimes I put it here, student cannot see, they have to zoom in. Can Yeah, use iPad. Yeah, so rich. Your friend, you didn't see they type out. Oh, maybe they personally type out to me. Yeah, you didn't know that who Oh, no worry. I thought I heard that there's some what's that called? State, right? I heard Johor there or more. Oh yo. They give free iPad to the person, to the student who needs it, give laptop. Because I also follow Site Sadiq, right? The Ali Parliament, right? Mua. I saw him giving away all this to the, to the person, to the student who needs, I saw he deliver it to the home. So nice, free delivery by them. Y'all got apply or not? I don't know lah. Y'all got apply. Okay, y'all get free things towards this, because they only cater for B40 group. Okay, for this type of free devices, sponsor also sponsor, because we also understand some people who needs that, they are so pity doing good deeds and make, is it, well, Brian also follow, okay, you also want, yeah, can go and check it out, where can get all these sponsor. You must say, okay, my family very poor, no, cannot, no, learn online. They will help you, who knows, yeah, just apply, because somehow, you don't want to have all these things happen to you, like you cannot learn things because don't have this, don't have that. There is a way. There are people also helping people, okay? So you have to go and find out, yeah? Okay, finish already this question? Wow, I want to know the first, okay, really? Brian, really? Okay. Good, So, well, can you see or not? Complete the possible outcome. So you take how many cut? A cut from A, ma. Then another cut from B. Oh, so P5 and P6. So P9. Somehow you can write the symbol like that, the element. Q9, L5, L9. This is free mark. This is really free mark because it's about, I think, 2 marks. And this one 3 marks. Marking scheme. So use, okay, they say find the probability that, a cut label Q and the cut label odd number. Okay, a cut label Q. So because of the word and, nampak tak dan? So you have to know, you can list out. Do they ask you to list out? No, they didn't ask you to list out. So probability Q and odd number cut are picked. How many Q and odd? Q5, Q9. Only 2 leh, out of how many? Total sample space ada berapa? Jumlah kesudahjadian got 9 mah, 209. Do you get it correct, class? Yes, very good. They asked you to find probability. They didn't ask you to list out also. Okay, so you don't need to worry. Don't need to list out, yeah. Just find the probability. Okay, B2 pula. Probability a cut label P or atau or. Ini kerangkalian simbol dia P. Dia nak label P dan juga multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Okay, so this is how I working. Kebarangkalian P atau gandaan 3. I just see label like that. How many over 9? You can see who are they? All mah. As long as got P, got P, got P, I want. Oh, multiple of 3. Q6, P L6, Q9, L9. Got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. So simple. Yeah, very good singing also even. Yeah, Yi Ching, Wei Bing also, Libis also, Enki. 109 meh? 709 mah, All mah. You see the word all? You chong say 1 Wait, 1 meh? No lah, because Q5 and L5 is not multiple of 3. So that's why 7 only mah. So double check, yeah? Okay, can you understand or not, class? This type of question? Okay, very good. Asasria also good. Aina also good. Where? Which part confused must ask? Then I explain again. Which part? Mana satu? Mana satu? Yang kebarangkalian yang dan ke atau? Semua. Do you know how to fill up the question for A? This one can, P5, P6, P9 boleh tak? Ini boleh tak? Kerana saya kena pilih 2 kad kan. So kad pertama, kad 2, so gabungan kena ada ini. Okay, ini kanan. Okay, then we go to the ask ourselves what is the probability formula. This is the probability formula, easy to remember. Okay, how many over total? Yeah, so over total, how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4. All together got 9. You see, over 9, over 9. The answer always over 9. You see, because got 9 of them total. Then how many of them? This is the number you have to find because of the N or because of the or. Question. Because N, kalau guna dan, dia sebenarnya ialah persilangan. Bermaksud kena Q kena juga pada masa yang sama adalah ganjil. So Q dan ganjil, Q dan ganjil, Q dan ganjil mana? Q di sini, ganjil 5 dan 9. So Q5, Q9. Hanya 2 saja kan. Yang lain bukan Q dan juga dia bukan ganjil pada masa yang sama kan. So kena tengok Q5, Q9 ada 2 saja. Okay. Q5, Q9. Got 2 mah. So 2 out of 9 of them. Can understand? This one N. How about or? Nampak tak atau bermaksud asalkan ada P, saya pun mau. Asalkan saya ada P, so tengok soalan yang kedua pula. Nak P kan? Okay, atau bermaksud asalkan ada P, saya mau. P5, P6, P9 saya pun mau kerana ada P mah. Atau bermaksud juga boleh mengumpul gandaan 3. Boleh mengguna gandaan 3. Bermaksud siapa gandaan 3? 6, 9 kan? 6, 9 so sudah ini terpilih. Q6 Q9 pun gandaan 3 kan? R6, R9. So ini semua gandaan 3. Q6, Q9 walaupun mereka tak ada P tapi ada gandaan 3 juga kamu ambil. Contohnya kamu diberi peluang untuk memilih coffee, tea or me. So you got how many choices? Total got 3 choices now you can choose. So that's why same thing lah. You got Q6, Q9 because of the or. You can take also 6, 9, 6, 9. So got 7 of them. Understand, Isaac, your friend? Okay, Isaac. This is how you see the whole thing together. Put into a fraction. Then you get the answer. Oh, clear, huh? So no worry, you got many lessons coming up. So I have a question related to this topic again and again. Then you can prepare yourself. Okay. So for today, I just stop here, and that's all. And wish you all the best in your revision. Okay. So any question? If not, I shall see you again. Remember the time, huh? Jangan lewat ya. Okay, take care everyone. See you. Bye bye. See
Thank you,
you.
Mr.
Bye.
Anson，
Welcome.
辛苦了，辛苦了，Mr. Anson。好了，也谢谢各位同学出席这一次的数学讲座会。好，我们下期再见了。
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Welcome. See you. Bye.